Alright, everybody out. I didn't bring anybody else out with me this time, because I just started noticing this. I tell you, every time I go back inside, I miss out on this. So it's just gonna be me. Still forgot to delete my videos. Some videos, because this thing is low on memory. It's gonna happen, probably. So, gotta use extra caution. I didn't wear my jacket this time because I was rushing out. I started noticing all this. Uh-oh. This is bad news. For me. Because my camera battery's running low. Alright, I'm gonna keep quiet now. I can't be out here for too long. Oh yeah, it's pouring now. This is gonna be a long video. It's all gonna be about the thunderstorm and how it's happening. There might be lightning right now. Unexpectedly. Unexpectedly. What did I tell you? Yeah, well, are you? Come on, man, don't do this. You gotta go to bed. I gotta catch this. But this could go on all night. It's supposed to go on until 12 o'clock. You're not gonna stay up till 12 o'clock. You stayed up too late last night. And you can't mess up your sleep schedule just because of what you want with the thunderstorm. Listen, bro, I won't be able to sleep, alright, if I have to go to bed and watch it. I just have to do it out here. Because what if there's a big lightning strike like that last time? It's gonna be big. But see, this is big. This is big rain. And that. I'm saying out here for as long as it happens. If you didn't have a storm tomorrow, you could stay out here all night. But you can't. I'm staying out here until this ends. This might not end until... Listen, bro. This is nothing you don't know. This goes on, the heaviest amounts of rain goes on quickly. It doesn't stay forever. So you can see, you're gonna be really tired tomorrow. I took no chance. Jeez. Look at it. Yeah, the sun came out. There's nobody else with this. This might be the last video, but I could be upstairs. I could do this from my room too. That's a showtime. Oh, the strange thing is, why is there no thunder? Oh, there's probably gonna be thunder in a minute. The biggest flash of lightning, and there could be the biggest amounts of thunder. Look, it's starting to calm down right now. I want to see if I can get a flash of it. That's a very dangerous risk you're taking. How is it dangerous? Seriously, come on now. Because you could scare yourself. You might get a heart attack. I'm not going to get a heart attack. I could get scared. Might even soil myself, but I don't think it's gonna get that bad where I could get a heart attack. Maybe it could happen, but I'm not sure. They're not sure now. But look, I don't want to talk about it. By the way, this is my diesel engine. I know it's crazy, but I like to be art. I like to make stuff. And this is one of them. I showed you before. I know it's crazy, but this is gonna go on for a while. Now it's starting to calm down. But the worst part isn't over. The last part is, last time I had this thing off, there was a big huge zap of lightning. It scared me. It really scared me. I mean, it was a lot bigger than that. It was a lot brighter than that. And the thunder was a lot heavier than that. I mean, there's barely no thunder. Barely no thunder? You mean there's barely thunder? No, I said there's barely no thunder because it could be thunder, it has to be thunder. There don't have to be thunder. There has to be lightning to produce thunder, but there doesn't have to be thunder if lightning happens. It could be far away, the lightning part could be far away. Does it look like it was far away? Come on. I'm just saying, man. Really. Was that lightning? Or was that somebody else's light going off? Although I think a lot of the lights are on, so... I think the snow's supposed to come back too. Don't think I didn't see that. My camera didn't catch it, but I caught it. One more. Just one more. Ah, darn it. No, wait, come back. I need more lightning. Come on, more lightning. Come on, lightning. Please give me more lightning. Please, Lord. One last shot. Not on me, though. Oh, no, it's disappearance. Man, you're freaking out. Let's see if it happens again. I don't think it's gonna happen again. It's gonna happen again. I don't think it's gonna happen again. You know what? Here's the idea I'm thinking of. I think I'm gonna put all these videos out separately, and then with my editing program later on I'm gonna put them all into one big video. Could be long, but it'd be worth it. I've seen this before. I've seen this glare before. It really freaked me out. Are you gonna go inside? Not yet. Come on, man. What time is it? Ah, jeez, it's like 11 o'clock. You need to get inside now. You gotta brush your teeth, you gotta wash your face. And you know how long that takes you. And you gotta put on your rubber bands. After you brush your teeth, you know. Yeah, I'll go in a minute. Alright. See if a big... Pathetic. Just pathetic. As soon as I go back into that house, it's gonna happen again. and I'm gonna miss out on everything. It's not. I believe you. Believe me. I don't think it's gonna happen again. I think it's gonna happen again. Okay, stop doing that, really. I'm just doing the cooling fans. Well, it sounds retarded. You sound retarded. You sound retarded. You wanna fight? You got 33 minutes. You have 33 minutes of memory left in your camera. Is it really worth wasting? In my case, yes. Don't you dare press that record button. If you stop it, you could regret it. How come my light went off? Because it has a timer on it. Right? Yeah, whatever. One last one. One last one and we'll stop it. If it's small, too bad. We're stopping it. Sorry if I sound crazy and sorry if I'm talking a lot too. Wait. What's that? Oh no. Holy crap. Alright, get it good this time. Get it good. Get it good. And you better leave it that way too. Okay, stop doing that. I want this small dramatic music. I saw fake lightning in the TV and I... Dude, that TV's always been running in that house over there. You can't see it, really? on. You really need to go inside, man. I can't miss this. This is the rarest moment. It's not rare. It happens all the time. Maybe not all. Maybe it could be a bit rare, but not so rare. Not as rare as Thunders now. Oh, come on, don't blur on me. Oh, my hand in the camera works. I saw that, and I think I might have caught it on camera. Oh, this is the most coolest moment. I know it's gonna happen again. See? Started cloud over. Everything's gonna be viral. This is worth staying up late for. I'm gonna have something to tell the school. I'm surprised nobody is ever going to witness this spectacular moment that I've ever witnessed. Seriously, I think we're gonna need to go to bed now. No. No, not yet. 17 minutes. Jeez. Seriously, I think you need to stop this video. If I had one of those kinds of cameras, if I had these kind of cameras, I would want to stay up all night. I can't miss this. It's going to be worth it. Think about it. The moon is out. There's lightning still. I don't want to turn off this camera yet. I'm just shocked by this just I think you should be in bed right now. Should have been in bed out like hours ago. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, it's 11:10. You gotta be in bed. Jeffrey, you don't know how glorious this moment is. The lights in the house are out. Which way do you think it's going? I don't know. I think it's going the Atlantic City way. I think we could stop. I don't even think it's showing up on camera. Yeah, there is still lightning, even when the sky is clearing up. Alright, we're gonna stop this now. One last shock. Alright, goodbye.